Yeah, friends. Another big thing that is the failure of projects, and how do we engage with the stakeholders and deal with the risks. Often the stakeholders are not involved in the project in the beginning, and the project manager, actually somebody tells him, hey, don't talk to Andy, he's a very rough guy, he's going to stop your project, don't even let him know. If he comes to know, then it's fine, but avoid him. Now that's not a very good technique, because the guy who's going to block you the most should be on you, and he's very important, right? It depends on what influence and interest they bring to the project. And there's a power interest grid in the PMP, which we talk about, that, hey, who are these guys? Who are the stakeholders, and what influence and interest in big? And put them right in the beginning. I recommend that, when you're building the charter, at that stage, or the project plan, get them involved. Take feedback. Tell them this is what is happening. Give them updates. Take a feedback and update your own register if things are going to change. But talking to them and engaging them is very important. Clearly talking to them and communicating with them and understand their needs, listening, good listening, empathy, weekly meetings, monthly meetings, bi-weekly meetings, all that will help a lot. Risks should not be avoided. We need to create a risk register or matrix and prioritize them based on severity and probability, PI kind of index, and focus on the ones that will really disturb us. And mitigation plans should be really deal with this because it's high priority and it's severe and can impact us right now. So different types of mitigation strategies: accept, avoid, mitigate, or enhance. Different techniques can be applied. But these are some of the techniques that we can use to deal with the stakeholders, keep them engaged, keep them happy, keep them involved in a project, because the success of the project depends on how engaged the stakeholders are. Similarly, for risks have to be identified and documented, and everybody should know there should be transparency. Otherwise, later on, the project manager gets the blame. Does anybody have that experience? That if you don't talk about them in the beginning, then later the project fails, entire blame comes on the project professional, the project manager.